In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote affiliate links on Google in 2026 using AI without a blog, without running ads, and without spending a single dollar upfront. Google is still the most powerful free traffic source on the planet, and almost nobody is using it correctly for affiliate marketing. And let me show you how. I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I know exactly how this business works. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you. I'm making over $30,000 per month every single month with affiliate marketing using these methods that I'll share with you guys. Okay. So this is my affiliate account dashboard, and just this month, guys, I have made $15,870. Okay, this month in just 15 days. Okay, and just last month I have made $36,270, and it's paid. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and as you guys can see here, recent payment request details, it's paid. For people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using Google, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So you need to join an affiliate marketing program. The best one that I'm working with is Fiverr Affiliate. So step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish your sign up process, this will be your homepage. So just scroll down like this, go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website, and so you can check the commission plan and how much they are paying. From my experience, this is a profitable affiliate marketing program that you can join. They are really paying good commissions, guys. Okay, so for example, for pro services, they are paying up to 70% of the first order. For other services, they are paying 25% of the first order. It's still a good commission and profitable. Okay, and the best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. Okay, so for example, if a person buy service from your affiliate link, you will earn 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services over and over and over on Fiverr, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. You can turn this into a passive income. Okay, anyway, so if you want to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and just click here on join now, and you will be in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you need to do is you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes, and what you will do here is you just need to put your social media profile link. You can put here your Facebook profile link, your YouTube profile link, your Pinterest profile link that you will use to promote also those services. Okay, and once you finish, scroll down, click on country and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Okay, and click here to choose your language. And if you have Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here and click on next, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Google. Okay, and pay close attention. So what we will do next, we will go back to our Fiverr homepage, and I'll share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Google. Okay, and this service has high demand. Okay, so click on the search bar of Fiverr and search for, pay close attention, search for this service, Google My Business. Search for Google My Business. Okay, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service. So what you will do next, guys, is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Choose like top rated sellers and the pro sellers and level 2 sellers. Okay, so if people click on your affiliate link, they will go and check the profile of those sellers. They will check the feedback of their customers. So if you are choosing good sellers who has good reviews, also people can buy those services from your affiliate link, and you can also earn a commission. That's why it's super important to choose good sellers. So for example, I'm gonna choose, let me show you, we have like this one. This seller, guys, is a pro seller and he has over 2,000 reviews, meaning that over 2,000 people paid for this service. This service, guys, has high demand. This is just from one single seller. Look at this one also, over 1,000 reviews. This one, over 2,000 reviews. Those services has high demand and they are very important. Okay, so I'll show you which people, which audience will be interested to buy those services from you using Google. Okay, I will choose this one, guys. This one is pro seller. So just click on the service that you want to use, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. And as you guys can see, this seller has 2 orders in queue. People already placing orders for this service. They are already paying for this service because this service, guys, like I said, has a high demand. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, you will copy this seller profile link like this, and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and click here. You have a dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting pro services, always you will copy your affiliate link from here. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated sellers, you will copy your affiliate link from here. This one, Fiverr marketplace new plan. Okay, for me, guys, I do have an old Fiverr affiliate account. Like I said in the beginning of the video, that I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option, Fiverr Step A old plan. Okay, anyway, it's almost the same. Fiverr Step A and Fiverr Pro, it's almost the same. Even Fiverr Pro new plan, it's better. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link, guys, on Google. Okay, so pay close attention, please. Go to Google and search for restaurant USA, your restaurant in United States or restaurant in United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, even in your country. Yes, even in your country you can promote this service. Okay, and I'll show you how step by step. Search for restaurant USA and Google will give you a lot of restaurants listed here on Google Map. Okay, and what you will do next, guys, is you need to scroll down and choose restaurants that are not ranking higher on Google. Okay, those restaurants will be interested to buy this service from you, this one that we want to promote, Google My Business, because this service, guys, is very important for local businesses. Okay, it's very important. If you have a local business, you need to rank your local business in the first page of Google, so you can get customer from Google and from Google Map. Okay, because a lot of people, they are using Google and they are using also Google Map to search for a restaurant, to search for coffee, to search for clothing stores. So it's very important for your local business to be the number 1, to be in the first page. Okay, this is why this service has high demand. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Let's go back to Google and let me choose one as an example, guys. Okay, let's see here. We have a lot of, you look, guys, you have a lot of restaurants that you guys can use to promote your service. Okay, as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. Let me scroll down like this one. This one is not ranking in the first page. You guys can see it's not ranking higher. I'm gonna choose not just this one. We have a lot. Okay, let's click on this one. Just click on the restaurant that you want to use and you will see this page over here, and here you go. You have here this restaurant, guys, they have a website. Okay, and they also have a phone number. So first you have 2 options. If you speak English, you can pick their phone and call this restaurant and tell them that you are providing Google My Business service that will help them rank higher on Google and on Google Map, to rank in the first page. Okay, so this will help them to get more customers. Okay, or if you don't speak English, that's fine, you can use their website. Okay, so what we will do, I will click here on their website, click on their website like this, and here you go. Okay, so you will be directly in their website. You can scroll down and here you go. They have an email. Okay, you guys can see they have an email. Also, they have Facebook page and Instagram and email. Okay, so you can reach out to this restaurant from here, from Facebook or Instagram or email. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, is you need to create a professional email that you will send to this restaurant. Okay, and we will use AI. Okay, so what we will do next, we will go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and ask him create a professional email that I will send to restaurant local businesses to buy Google My Business service from my website to help them rank higher on Google and Google Map. And here you go. You will get a professional email like this. Help your restaurant rank. This is the subject. Help your restaurant rank higher on Google and Google Map. Hello, I hope you are doing well. My name, you can put your name here, and I work with local restaurants to help them get more customers through Google search and Google Map. Today, when people search for place to eat, they usually find a restaurant through Google and Google Maps. Okay, if your business is not fully optimized, you could be missing out on many potential customers in your area. Okay, this is a professional email. Okay, also, guys, okay, ChatGPT will give you here the parts where you can put your affiliate link. So what you will do, you will ask ChatGPT to turn, I asked him turn my website link into a clickable sentence link, learn more. Okay, so because my affiliate link is too much long, so you can go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, and just go back to ChatGPT and put your affiliate link here and ask him to turn your website link into clickable sentence link, learn more. Okay, and here you go. ChatGPT turned it into short and clickable sentence link. You guys can see here. Okay, here you go. This is the link. Okay, and it's super easy. So what you will do, you just need to copy this email. Okay, you just need to copy this email and go back to this restaurant page, to this restaurant's website. Okay, and click on their email over here like this and put this email here. Okay, and here you go. You can put here your name. Okay, subject, here is the subject. I will go back to ChatGPT, copy this subject, copy, put the subject here, and here you go, learn more. So if this restaurant click over here on learn more, they will be directly in this seller profile page. They will be directly in this page. Okay, if they click on continue and they buy the service from you, you earn a good commission. Okay, this service is for $250. Okay, and for pro services, if you remember, let me go back to Fiverr. For pro services, you can earn 70% of the first order. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT what is 70% of, and as you guys can see, 70% of $250 is $175. This is for the first commission. They are paying good commission, and you can make a really good commission with this affiliate marketing program. If you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you all the details. Okay, I have created a step-by-step complete affiliate marketing course explaining everything, how we can use AI to create a faceless content, full done for you videos done just by using AI tools. Okay, even if you don't have any experience in editing or design, you can use AI tools, and I explain everything inside my course. Okay, you get also my support. Me and my team, we will follow up with you and we will answer all your questions and keep following with you until you understand everything. No one is providing like this. Okay, and guys, you don't have just one restaurant. You can see how many restaurants we have here. Look, you have a lot. Okay, you have a lot of restaurants that you guys can work with. Okay, not just in United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia. Okay, not just restaurants, guys. Okay, let's search for coffee. Okay, coffee USA, for example, and here you go. You see, look how many coffee local businesses we have. Okay, in United States, you see, 1, 2, we have 3. They have a lot. If you click on just, okay, let me go back. What's this? Let's go and click on the second one as an example. You can click on this one. You guys can see they have also a website, they have phone number, and here you go. Okay, not just coffee. Okay, let's search for clothing stores in United States. Okay, clothing stores in United States, US clothing. And here you go, look how many. Guys, it's enough. Okay, anyway, if you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you all the details. I shared a lot of valuable content here. You guys can see no one is sharing like this, so I appreciate, guys, if you subscribe to this channel, like this video. Just feel free also to put your question in the comments. I will answer all your questions. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.